How doing that? Remember if it was in part 1 or 2, somewhere in there, when I was doing the roof on that. I said that this probably wasn't the right way to do something. Well, the part I was referring to, I was using deck screws to put the roof on, and that was not right. But I got the right ones now. I got the rubber grommet and everything on them. So, we'll be able to actually do this right this time. There we go. Now it won't leak. And that's project done. This took me a good month of Sundays to get done, but I'm really proud with how it came out. For anybody who's looking to replicate this build, where I got the plans was Third Coast Craftsman. He's here on YouTube, makes excellent stuff. He's also out on Instagram. Go and give him a follow. Let him know that I sent you. And like I said, I appreciate you stopping by for part 1, 2, and 3 of this ordeal. The chickens are happy, and I think later on I'm going to make a bit of a Coop tour video. I added a couple of things that weren't in the design and made some interpretations myself. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this, and I will see you on the next one.